dito. Tignan nyo naman, may fish cake pa, oh. Fish Cake Factory. And may noodles. And meron siyang crab, crab mentality. Crab meat. And tofu.
Oh.
Tofu. Ano tofu? Madaming tofu. Dito palang solve ko na eh. Tikman natin. With fish cake. Fish Cake Factory. My God. Sarap.